Hey everyone, today is April 3rd and we are in the week 13th of the 127 release cycle. I've pasted a link to the agenda document. Please add yourself as attendee in the document. Before we get started, a quick note. This meeting abides by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which pretty much comes down to please be nice and respectful to each other. Thank you. There are no open discussion items. One reminder would be having 2 more retrospective meetings around the closure of this cycle and maybe a discussion at KubeCon. So if you have any feedbacks, any comments, or anything to talk about this release cycle or the release team in general, please feel free to add your comments in the 127 retrospective document, which is linked here. I'll just wait for a minute and ask anyone if anyone has any other item for open discussion right now. And if not, let's move to team updates. Enhancements, Mark.
I was out of office the last couple of days, but as far as I know, there's enhancements are still green and all the stats are still there.
Yep. Thank you. Thanks for the updates, Mark. Any questions, comments for enhancements? Good. Let's move to CI signal with Rome.
Hi everyone. So our current signal is green. We have 3 flaky on master informing and 2 flaky on master blocking, but none of them are release blocker. And we also have 1.27 informing and 1.27 blocking dashboard set up. Other than that, Grace will be giving the Gono signal for tomorrow's RC1 release cut. And yeah, we are green.
Thank you. Just want to check with you, Xander. I think 127 RC1 is rescheduled to 6th of April now. Or
yeah, there was a PR open to push it to Thursday to wait for a go release.
Okay. So yeah, that's also an update here. And with that, thank you, Rom, for the updates. Any questions for CI signal? Thank you. Over to bug triage, Angelus.
Yes, hello everyone. So the tracking board is empty, so our status is green and we are good for the release.
Thank you. Very good. Any questions for bug triage? Thank you. Do we have anyone from Doc's team on the call? If not, I believe we are nearing the Docs freeze deadline soon. So the team is working on reaching out to folks for completing their docs requirement for the KEPs. And I think that should be the update right now. Over to release notes with Harsha or anyone from release notes on the call. If not, I don't know what's the current update for release notes. Let's move to comms then. Harshita.
Hey everyone, the comm status is yellow. We have 9 feature blocks ready for review and 6 with placeholder PRs. So we are reaching out to all because the deadline for ready to review is tomorrow and the release block PR is up. Yep, that's it from comms. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions for comms, Harshita? Thank you. Over to release branch management. I don't see CC on the call. I think the update would be on the lines of 127 RC1 cut, which is rescheduled to 6th of April now. And we're moving towards that while preparing. So that, I believe James is also not on the call. And over to you, Xander.
Yeah, I think the only update that I have to share is, any role leads, please make sure you let, at the very least, James, but ideally James and myself know who you're planning on nominating for the role lead for 128, so we can get that that nomination onto the team building issue for 128. Yeah, that's the main thing. Yeah, we're getting close. So thanks everyone for all the work so far.
Thank you, Xander. Thank you, everyone. And do anyone have any questions for Xander? No, 6 scalability. No, I believe no one is on the call from there. And before we go off the call, if anyone has anything to discuss now, please feel free to do so now. And if not, we're good for the call. Thank you everyone for joining, and I'll stop the recording.